Hi everyone, it's Lynn from Contenta Crafts. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm popping in with my make for my new challenge, hashtag Scrappy Scraps and Strips. So the idea of my challenge is to use up all of your scraps and turn them into strips. If you're anything like me, you'll have lots and lots of scrap paper and card, and I just think this is a brilliant way to use all of these scraps and strips up and turn them into something rather special. I will leave a link to the challenge in my description box below if you are interested in joining in. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started on my Scrappy Scraps and Strips challenge. So I've got my scraps ready. From those scraps of paper, I've chosen the colours I'm using. I've turned them into strips. With my strips, I'm going to create a card. So I've got my little cream card. This is the first strip that I'm using, and just at the edge of the strip I've cut out a little heart using one of my dies. I've got my base card at the ready. I've popped my glue onto the back of my strip, and I'm just going to pop that down at the top there, like that. Next, I've got one of my pink strips, and I've cut this a little bit smaller, and again I cut a heart just at the end there. Stick that one there. Then I've got another piece of green, and I've made this strip just a little bit shorter than the pink one. Then the next one is this darker pink, which will sit just underneath there. And I've made this one just slightly longer. So what I'll do is I'm going to work my way down my card, and then I'll pop back once I've gone all the way down to the bottom. Okie dokie, so this is where I'm at with my card. So I've gone down the side of the card with the 4 different colour strips, repeating them as I've gone down. This is all I've got left, so this can definitely go in the bin. This one I'll keep, and it will come in handy for another project. Right, I've got some peel-offs, and I've decided I would like to pop some peel-offs onto my card, and my idea is to pop these in between the different coloured strips. So I'm going to pop that one just there. Take my next one, and is this one long enough? The next one. So I'm going to work my way down my card again and use the peel offs, those on like so. I'll continue working my way down my card, and I'll get all of these stuck down, and then I'll pop back. That's my peel off stuck down. That one was just not quite stuck to the card. I've got some little hearts that came out of the strips of paper, so I've just popped some glue in, and what I'm going to do is pop the hearts back into the strips of paper and popping a different colour in each little heart. So this one, I'll go with the dark green. What's this one? Oh, pink. That's it. So just enough. That one, I believe, yeah, that's just dropped off my arm somewhere. Right, done with those. I've got some little flowers that I've taken from this teeny tiny flower die. This is a Sizzix Thinlits die set. I've cut them out in the different coloured papers and stick that on there before it gets lost. And all I want to do is stick them to the card. So I'll grab a little bit of glue, pop it on, stick these down. This one next. A little bit of glue. That one down. Put that one about there. Stick that one back down. I've done that one. Yeah. There. That. Push that one up. That one in. And then I think I might move this one just out a little bit. Yeah. Let's have a look. What do he look like? Yeah, I think more to the end of the card. Stick that one down, and then my last one. I'm going to go about there. Do I want another one in the corner? Sometimes less is more. Less is more. I might pop that one just go with that one in there. So, and I'm going to do one more just for the corner. Yeah, I just can't resist. There's another one, and it is definitely the last one. I'm just going to pop one just about there. I think, yeah, just maybe in slightly, just there. Add my glue, put my little flower. Definitely the last one. Definitely. Right, there we go. Now I'm just popping a little bit of glue into the centre of my flowers, and I'm going to stick different coloured gems in the centre. My last 3 to do. I do have this little sentiment that I've stamped out that says happy birthday. However, I'm not sure whether it will be a birthday card or what occasion card at the moment. So I think I'll just leave that off for now. So yeah, there you go. There is my card using my scraps and turning them into strips. So I've popped the strips down the side, added some gold peel offs, my little hearts inside the strips, and then I've cut out some little flowers and popped some gems into the centre of the little flowers. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, there you go. There is my card for my new challenge, hashtag Scrappy Scraps and Strips. If you would like to join, you are very welcome to do so. It's a monthly challenge and you get to use up some of your scraps and strips. So yeah, there we go. That's my make for today. Thanks ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take care. See you soon. And bye-bye for now.